One thing is for sure, there is no shortage of milk. The options are endless. So how do you know which alternative milk is right for you? Food Flash! Let's check them out. Almond milk. In 2017, about 65% of all non-dairy milk sold in the US was almond. People love its subtle flavor, and it's packed with a ton of calcium, vitamin D, and E. The drawbacks? It has less protein than regular milk and requires a ton of water to produce. Cashew milk. This nutty milk makes a great addition to smoothies and savory creams. Nutritionally, it's also filled with vitamins D, E, and calcium, but very low in protein. Oat milk. The new kid on the block is a favorite amongst baristas for its creaminess. It's also cheap to make. Steel-cut oats are soaked in water, blended, and then strained. Voila! It's great for people with nut and lactose intolerances, but watch out, it's not gluten-free. Hemp milk. It's loaded with omega-3s that can help with your cholesterol and heart function. It's made from seeds of the cannabis sativa plant. But don't worry, there's no psychoactive ingredients here. No matter your taste, there's a milk out there for you.